This executive condominium resides within the convenient location of Bukit Batok, a home where diverse styles come together to create a modern luxurious interior for an eclectic family of 4. As our designer Robin sat down with the homeowners, each family member wanted different styles for their respective rooms. Walking into the home, we are greeted by a neoclassical communal area. The living room is spacious, bearing a cross-designed feature wall with a horizontal fluted panel on the left where the piano sits, and a book-matched marble laminate on the right that creates a visually stunning symmetrical patterns to match the theme. A marvelous display of precious collectibles sit in custom built-in cabinets for the guests to admire from across the dining table. The island was forged between the pantry and cooking station, making the kitchen grand yet accessible. The same fluted panel and marble backslash blends cohesively with the design team. As we walk down the corridor, we enter the first daughter's room, a modern pastel dream with pink accent wall and golden pendant lights hug the bed. Next to the bed, a simple built-in vanity complements a cozy bay window where natural sunlight peeps through the blinds. We then transition into a Japandi setting for the second daughter's room. The window design mimics the traditional Japanese shoji, a window that is made out of latticework wooden frame and covered with glass panel. The futon-style bed sits on a functional platform with storages, accompanied by simple wooden furniture to fit the theme. Last but not least, the master's that is fit for royalty. This modern Victorian bedroom features a handcrafted wall molding that is embedded above the bed. The recessed warm lights shine through the false ceiling, giving the room a sophisticated and soft ambience as it pairs perfectly with the plain white furniture with thin gold rims. A room with such opulence would not be completed without a walk-in wardrobe. To give the illusion of a larger wardrobe, a double-sided closet space was mirrored, creating a sense of grandeur. The end of the wardrobe leads to the master bathroom, decorated with modern, luxurious marble of black and white, while the lights enhances the room features. This all-embracing home is not only soulless and functional, but it also leaves contentment for the homeowners, as each day they return to a proud and beautiful home.